Nairobi.
Erokamano Edwin Duol mochungne kedo kod mibadhi pachoka EACC oseduoko eka 26 mag lowo mane oma skund sekondar ma Nyabola Girls e kaunti ma Homa Bay. EACC nopimo tong' mar lop skundno ero manyien moyudo ni eka 26 go nogol oko momi kanisa moro e gwengego kendo molok nyinge ni Nyabola SDA Secondary School. Nyabola Girls manochake higa 1968 nomi lobno maka kama bang'e nokawe koda riwruok mar Kenya Lakefield mane ogere skul moro ma sekondar kachiel koda ute mag dak.
There are some people in the area who normally call them big fishes. They want to pluck and they also want to trade inside this thing without us knowing as villagers. This is a government school, but at right now we find that the school has been rented by the Adventist Church, whereby we always talk with them to leave for us the school to go to the government as it is was.
Tunataka waende wawache shule. Hata Nyabola Mix tulianza juzi, inafanya vizuri kuliko hapa. Tangu ianze 69 hakuna watoto wameenda university, haijafanya chochote. Kwa hivyo tunaona afadhali waende wawache serikali watimishe vile serikali nataka na hiyo land.
Currently we are carrying out an investigation touching on land parcel in Rachonyo sub-county of Homa Bay. We received information that on that land is a school institution which was was initiated as a public institution, Nyabola Girls Secondary School, and with time, under circumstances that we are yet to establish, the same property was converted into a private institution and is being run privately now. It sits on a 10.6 hectares or approximately 26 acres of land. So now we want to establish the circumstances under which a private facility is sitting on public land.
Kakoro wang'iyo weche mago